Angelique, Anthony wants you to lay with him. Oh my God. Don't hit him. Anthony's gonna get mad at you.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
What are y'all doing?
She's
Being
hurt.
annoying. Being drunk. Hey, hey. Calm down. Hey!
Angelique, stop.
Expensive piece of machinery.
Ow!
It's annoying.
Angelique, I'm gonna send this to pizza, okay?
See? Shut up.
Pick up your stuff. It's all over the floor. Look at that. We need to slip her some LSD. That would be even funnier. Look, Anthony's waking up. Look, he's